Okay, alright, what the heck? Oh, that's bright. Oh. Ah! Unlocked! Ah! Max low. Oh. Ah! What was run? I think it's RB. Ah! I have not unlocked it yet. Was it LB? It was LB. Ah! Ow! I forgot what run was. Oh, how...
Run, Isaac. Get the hell out of here.
Yeah, thanks, I got that. Oh my god. No, no, fucking what? Ow! Ah! A giraffe probably sounds like... Meh. Oh, I forgot about this. Ah! Oh, okay. No, stop struggling. I mean, stuttering. Okay. No. Okay. Open. Ah! Where'd you... Oh, I forgot it gets bright. Ah! Alright, easy. I'm a pro at this section by this point. Ah! We're gonna now... Ah, he's moved! What the... Okay, yeah, I think it's working because that body's moved. Alright, stop that. Ah! No, I was gonna stop. Ah! Ah! But okay. That voice line scared me. Oh, alright. Okay, well, I'm hearing noises. Thanks for the sub, but I'm hearing noises. Ah, it's locked! Okay, no, okay, why is that? Who turned off the... What?
I can hear something crawling around out there.
Oh, you could... No, not... Why? I didn't want to know that. I'd rather be blissfully ignorant. Oh, okay. Why does it do, like, sharp, high-pitched noises when there's no actual danger? That just makes me... Oh, never mind. Ah! Okay. No. Oh, my Christ. Where did that shadow even come from? What was even casting a shadow there? Ah! This makes me... No! Kappa? Oh my god, Oh! What was that noise? Back to the corner we go. Oh! Noises really instill paranoia. Yeah, you ain't wrong. Okay, that wasn't that locked. I thought that was locked. Okay, I guess I'll stop. Jesus Christ! Oh, what was that? Oh! What? Okay, I was just kicking a corpse. That scared me. You know what? I didn't want to play Dead Space 3 because I've got the impression it's less scary than these two. But I'm looking forward to... I'm looking forward to it now.
That's it,
Oh,
Isaac.
Christ!
Take the board back to tram control and slot it into the computer array.
Don't pop
That
up
should
on
get
me
the
like
transmitter
that.
Back online.
Why am I running? Oh, whoa! I wonder what the benefit of having vertical is. I suppose, actually, if you hit the limb, it'll do... Whoa! Free... Okay. Okay, what was that noise? Okay. Hello. Okay! Okay! Music. Okay, what's your perfect... Oh, but what the... Okay. What's... alright, okay. Alright, what the... Oh, Christ. Oh, a store? Oh! Jesus! Tutorial. Whoa, okay, what was that noise? Oh. Oh, good the bub. Alright. Oh, what did I just... Shit. Oh, what the... Alright. Oh! I haven't seen what the pulse gun does. It's just a machine gun. Oh! Knock on me. Oh, Stacy. Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh, this is bad. Ah! Oh, I forgot about this. Hopefully there's not enemies here. Oh, Christ, there are! Oh, right! No! What the? No, not when I'm reloading. What the? It's generally... Oh, kablow! Fuck you! Ah! What was that noise? How does this anomaly detect? Oh, all right. This is part of the gameplay. Oh my goodness! Oh, okay, I didn't know this could happen. I mean, that flamethrower was actually pretty good. Okay, all right. And now you're not going to die. Okay, where are you? He jumped past me! Ah! 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 No! You're on fire! Stop that! What is this? Paradise? Ah! He's lost his head. Ah! 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 Whoa! Ah! I thought the flame would kill it. Don't kick the baby.